Bird and Kip, Looking for Acorns. Episode 1, The Perfect Acorn.
What a great day,
said Kip.
The sun is bright, and there are no clouds.
Boom! A big acorn landed next to Kip. The acorn was round and shiny. Kip picked up the acorn and smiled.
This acorn is perfect,
he said.
What a great day!
Kip walked back toward his tree.
That's a nice acorn,
said Squirrel.
Thanks,
said Kip.
Pretty acorn,
said Mouse.
Thanks,
said Kip.
I'm having a great day.
Kip walked across the bike path.
What a great day,
said Kip.
The sun is bright. There are no clouds. And I found the best. Ooh.
Kip tripped over a stick. He dropped the acorn. The acorn rolled away.
Ah! Oh no!
cried Kip. Kip dived for the acorn. But he was too slow. The acorn was gone.
Bird and Kip, Looking for Acorns. Episode 2, A Horrible Day.
I lost my perfect acorn.
Cried Kip.
This is a horrible day.
Bird flew over to Kip,
I'm going to the beach, Kip.
said Bird.
Do you want to come with me?
No thanks, Bird.
Said Kip sadly.
What's wrong?
Asked Bird.
This is a horrible day.
Said Kip.
I lost my perfect acorn.
Oh, don't worry.
Said Bird.
You'll find another perfect acorn.
Bird flew off.
Bird is right.
Thought Kip.
I'll look for another acorn.
Kip went to the playground. He saw acorns on the steps. Kip climbed the first step. He found a cracked acorn. Kip climbed to the next step. He found a moldy acorn.
Ew!
Said Kip. Kip climbed to the top of the steps. He stood on the bridge, but there were no more perfect acorns. This was a horrible day.
Bird and Kip, looking for acorns. Episode 3, A Great Day.
Kip sat down on the bridge.
This is a horrible day.
He thought. Suddenly, stop, stop, stop! Kids ran across the bridge. Kip dived out of the way.
Phew.
The kids went down the slide. Kip went back to the steps. But more kids were coming.
Oh no!
Cried Kip. Kip ran away from the steps. Just then, some raindrops fell. Soon it was raining hard. The kids left. Kip stood near the slide. Rain fell on him. He sighed.
Oh. This is a horrible... Whoa!
Kip slipped and fell down the slide. Water ran down the slide. Zoom! Kip flew fast.
Whee!
Cried Kip. Bird flew to the playground. Kip was in a puddle near the slide.
Did you find any perfect acorns?
Asked Bird.
No,
Said Kip.
but I found a water slide. This is a great day.